AI agents being released by many different individuals, and Microsoft has stepped into the arena with something that I could call Devon 2.0. They've called this AutoDev, Automated AI Driven Deployment. So essentially, this is a rather fascinating thing because they are introducing something that is very similar to what we had last week, which was Devon. And of course, that one actually did shake the entire industry because it pretty much was on the radar. So essentially, with AutoDev, it's rather fascinating because, like I said, Devon was released and it did shake the entire industry in terms of people realizing that the future careers and landscape is going to change in ways we never thought before. And that is, of course, rather fascinating considering that artists were the ones on the chopping block and now it may be software engineers. And software engineers aren't out of the crosshairs anymore because with AutoDev, it kind of shows us what's possible with software engineering. Now, essentially, what they state here is they state that, the landscape of software development has witnessed a paradigm shift with the advent of AI-powered assistants. And essentially, they reference GitHub Copilot, which you all know about. But essentially, they say that GitHub Copilot is just like a Copilot. It's pretty good, but you can't build, test, and execute code and GitHub operations. So they're constrained by their limited capabilities, focusing on suggesting code snippets and file manipulation within a chat-based interface. So essentially, they said, in order to fill this gap in, we present AutoDev, a fully automated AI-driven software development framework designed for autonomous planning and execution of intricate software engineering tasks. So you can see right here that this is a fully automated AI agent that is able to plan and execute intricate software engineering tasks. And this is their first iteration. I can probably guarantee that they're going to be coming up with new iterations of this unless GPT-5 comes up with something that we didn't think of. But yeah, it seems that Microsoft are working on this. And I'm not sure if they're working on this in a response to Devon, but I'm sure something like this did take some time. So I guess that what we're seeing here is probably just a coincidence. And it says AutoDev enables users to define complex software engineering objectives which are assigned to AutoDev's autonomous AI agents to achieve. These AI agents can perform diverse operations on a code base, including file editing, retrieval, build processes, execution, and testing, and Git operations. They also have access to files, compiler output, build, and testing logs. And of course, they have access to other tools. So it says this enables the AI agents to execute tasks in a fully automated manner with a comprehensive understanding of the contextual information required. Now, so the crazy thing about this, and I'm going to show you guys some more stuff, okay, is the fact that, this is something where they have a bunch of AI agents working in the frame. So this isn't something like where you have one AI agent. This is something where they have a bunch of AI agents, and these AI agents actually have different roles. So you can see these AI agents can perform diverse operations on a code base, including editing, retrieval, So it's pretty cool, and I'm going to get into some of the benchmarks now and some of the other stuff. So you can see right here that it says in our evaluation, we tested AutoDev on the human eval dataset, obtaining promising results with 91.5% and 87.8% of pass one code generation, respectively. So it's actually pretty good in terms of the benchmarks. The only thing is that I wonder why they didn't compare it to the other benchmarks, which I will talk about in a moment. But we're going to get into the architecture now, because I think the architecture is very interesting. So this is how AutoDev works. And it's quite interesting. It's quite similar to Devon, but I think this one, they have more AI agents working in there. So essentially it says AutoDev figure 1, AutoDev enables an AI agent to achieve a given objective by performing several actions within the repository. The eval environment executes the suggested operations, providing the AI agent with the resulting outcome and the conversation. The purple messages are from the AI agent, while the blue messages are responses from the eval.
Thank you for tuning in to the latest snippet from the AI Grid. We trust you found it entertaining. We're eager to share our thoughts with you and look forward to sparking some engaging discussions down in the comments. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button. Follow us and subscribe to our channel to catch more content like this in the future. The unveiling of Microsoft's AutoDev, an artificial intelligence framework capable of fully autonomous software development, marks a significant leap in the ongoing integration of AI technologies within the software engineering field. Following closely on the heels of OpenAI's GPT-based models, such as Codex, which powers GitHub Copilot, AutoDev pushes the envelope by not just assisting developers, but by potentially assuming the complete suite of developmental duties. This transition represents a profound shift. AI is no longer just the tool, but is becoming the craftsman, raising questions not only about the future of software engineering as a career, but also about the broader implications of autonomous AI systems. The evolution of AI from assisting to autonomously performing intricate tasks suggests a future where not only iterative jobs, but also complex problem-solving roles are at stake. With AutoDev, Microsoft isn't just augmenting the developer's toolkit, It's proposing an alternative where the development process may not require human intervention at all. Of course, skepticism remains healthy, especially about the AI's current capabilities in understanding nuanced business logic or managing the unpredictable and creative aspects of software development. The human touch, the intuition, and the unique problem-solving abilities of experienced developers cannot yet be replicated by AI. One could argue this would be the last frontier AI has to conquer. However, the pace at which these systems are evolving might suggest that technical careers, like artistic ones prior, are not immune to disruption. What now falls under the jurisdiction of AutoDev playing, coding, testing, deployment represents tasks that were once indisputably within the human realm. The implications for the workforce are broad and require serious contemplation. How do we adapt education and training for a future where AI agents are peers in a code base? What new opportunities might emerge for software engineers, and how do we ensure they remain at the forefront of innovation? While it is imperative to embrace the efficiency and capabilities AI brings, it is also critical to remain vigilant regarding the potential ethical and economic impacts of displacing human talent. Microsoft's AutoDev is exciting, certainly a breakthrough, but it is just the beginning. The real challenge will be in navigating the delicate balance between leveraging AI's strengths and safeguarding the unique value human developers bring to the proverbial, and now digital, table.